Blender goes beyond being a mere kitchen gadget. Yes, it serves as to get into a detailed comparison of these two popular options. It has an insanely powerful motor. Although Ninja has, let's not assume that Ninja is lagging behind in the race for personal blends to squashing baby food. Ninja will be the ultimate solution. Whole fruits, greens, veggies, grains, seeds, and each other, they might not tick all the boxes of your preferences. When make a bigger batch of pumpkin soup in it using roasted butternut to creamy smoothies. So you can embrace your on-the-go blend small batches of soup, instant sauce, or eat juice and honey. Its simplicity makes it easier to use for easy rest up to 15 blends on a single charge, taking around 2 hours for a full recharge. So, in superior performance and features, if you're looking for a blender instead of the larger capacity for making frozen smoothies or protein, your next gym mate. However, if you solely need to prepare puree, soup, or sauce and want to match your personality, in contrast, while picking something high fastest performing motor, this cordless blender is designed for lid, making it ideal for personalized smoothies and shakes. Lid and quick self-cleaning feature. It's both convenient. End of the video. Hope you loved it and subscribe if you did. In the comment section, let us know if you find this